Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. There was a comment on my YouTube video about do I see this pattern on the chart? Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss, and there's no guarantees of making money in the markets. So be smart about the way that you're trading the markets. Now, moving forward into Bitcoin, someone said to me, John, you don't see the descending triangle pattern? And my response to him was, you don't see the video? I tell you what, some people will see the title of the video and like, you have no idea what's going to happen. One thing they'll talk about is like, you don't see the descending triangle. And what they were talking about on this comment here that I got here was basically this through here. We have this point through here. As you can see, we have that major support through there. And then we also have this point through here as well too, right? So it's basically descending all the way down. It's actually starting to, descending all the way down through there. So you have that big descending triangle pattern, right? And the reason why I titled yesterday's video, Big Breakout Coming, it's, because there is a big breakout coming. Now we don't know, just because it's a descending triangle doesn't mean it's definitely going to break down. Now, some people are so oblivious to say things like that if this market does break down, that Bitcoin's never going back to 1,000 again. Really? That's exactly what people never thought, from 20,000 down to 6,000, and now it's holding again. Anything is possible in the markets. Don't ever think you know what's going to happen in the markets, because what you think is never going to happen is probably going to happen. That's just the way the markets work, because you think, right? And the way you think is probably the way most people think. And so the market's actually just slam you there. So yes, I do see this triangle pattern, this descending triangle pattern. But what I was saying in yesterday's video was that wait for the breakout first. Because the breakout, a big strong breakout, either up or down, is going to give us some direction. If the breakout is down, then we're likely to get slammed even more on Bitcoin, and down and down and down even more. With Bitcoin. Now that's not a theory here, guys. That's a fact of how the markets work. All right. Again, go back and look at silver chart, and this is exactly what silver did before it broke. Once it actually started to break down, we had a big drop for the last few months in silver. It's just the way the markets work. So yes, I do see this descending triangle pattern, and if we do get a breakdown, that's the if scenario, right? No one knows what's going to happen. And anyone tells you this bullshit out there that they know JP Morgan, they know the insiders and the trillions of dollars are going to start inventing the markets, don't listen to all that bullshit. They don't know any more than you do. Oh, they read the white paper. Who says the white paper was true? Who said the white paper is real? Who said? Oh, John, but there's a third-party credited place that actually stamps to make it authentic. Yeah, absolutely total bullshit. Have you seen The Big Short, where the credit rating agencies were basically paid to keep these basically shit mortgages at AAA? Have you seen The China Hustler, where these companies that were supposed to be worth $100 million, they're worth basically $10? Don't believe what you read on these white papers. You can't believe what you see on these white papers, right? One, the two most important things is learn how to read the market, and secondly, learn when you're looking at the stock market, when you're looking at anything else out there, look and understand cycles of the market itself. So, I'm not talking about like precise numbers and all that sort of stuff like Bo Poly does. Like, no, I'm not talking about that sort of shit, right? Because it is shit, right? How do I know it's shit? Because Bo Poly doesn't use numbers anymore. He uses patterns. Technical analysis now. He's ran out of numbers. So the truth are in the charts. The truth are always been in the charts. Don't believe white paper bullshit, because you don't even know whether it's true or not, right? And only believe in the market, only believe in the charts. The chart is the truth out there. And the more you trust in the chart, the more you believe in the chart, the more you learn how to read what the chart is telling you. Not just some graph, but the market's always telling you. If we get a breakdown, we're likely to see a severe breakdown. If we get a break up, especially getting back above 8,000, then we could see another run in Bitcoin. But wherever it breaks, we're likely to see a big, strong break. So this is like the calm before the storm. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.